Prepare yourself for a chilling journey beyond the safety of your doorstep. In this video, we unveil a collection of scary videos captured on doorbell cameras that will make you question the security of your home. From heroic neighbors battling fiery disasters to encounters with potential stalkers and even a horrifying bobcat incident, these 30 scary videos will leave you on the edge of your seat. In the neighborhood's quiet, flames consume a home, and heroes urgently race toward the inferno.
Yeah, their house is on fire.
I know, I'm knocking on the door. There's nobody answering.
The doorbell captures their desperate knocks on the homeowner's door, a frantic plea for a response.
Can I help you?
The house is on fire! Your house is almost on fire!
Okay, thank you.
Amidst the chaos, a mother emerges, clutching her child, and caring neighbors join the rescue mission.
I've been telling you that!
Can you help me?
Yeah, come on.
Can you help me?
Come on.
Let me help
Come on.
you.
Come on, baby.
Can you help me with that?
Need more help?
As the fire threatens to engulf the house, the doorbell symbolizes a community's resilience coming together. This scary story depicts a sense of bravery and survival when it comes to the sinister. Somewhere in the barren streets of Arizona, a 7-year-old's eyes widen in terror as she confronts a bobcat. Fear leads her to a nearby haven, and the doorbell becomes a lifeline.
Hi, Lauren. I'm on my way home right now. I'll be out soon, okay?
No, please come open the door. There's a bobcat. I want to come in. Please.
Heart-wrenchingly, no one answers, and the doorbell transforms into a virtual communicator, hoping for some reassurance from the distant homeowner.
Anyone home?
We'll be home in 1 minute, sweetie. Just stay right there.
I really want to come in because I think my mom's at home and I saw it.
It's fine. Just stay there, okay? We're literally turning the corner. And stay on the phone with okay?
The doorbell camera captures the heart-stopping race to save the child from the wild encounter.
Can you call my mom?
Yes. I will definitely do that. As soon as I get you in my house safe, I will call your mom. I'm right by the park. I'm almost there.
Are you in?
Fortunately, they made it back in time for the girl to be safe from the bobcat. A doorbell becomes a silent witness to the ugliness of revenge, an ex-lover's attempt to darken a woman's life. Politeness turns into suspicion, and the camera captures a chilling moment as the man covers the lens.
Hey, what's up?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
What's going on?
Nothing, just thought that I was in the neighborhood, I thought I'd stop by, say hi. Yeah.
I just got out of the hospital.
What happened?
I almost died.
What?
But she shouldn't have. There is a
The doorbell narrates a sinister entry into the woman's home, a scene that descends into violence and malevolence.
Get out of my house. Get out of my house. I will. You gonna light me on fire because you just blew alcohol all over me?
Yeah. We'll take it to
Now it's not over because now I'm calling the cops.
A cut in the video can't hide the horror, the admission of an intention to set the woman on fire. Although it didn't go this far, this scary story is forever embedded in our minds. In the realm of uncertainties, a doorbell frames a scary encounter. A supposed zombie or a man on something attempting to break in. His plunging backward over the railing blurs the lines between reality and fiction.
Okay, maybe not a zombie, but it sure looks like one.
Comments swirl in speculation, threading the narrative between sadness and terror. The Doorbell, a silent observer, paints a picture of a night on the edge of horror, where a normal routine transforms into the sinister. Before we move on and look at another one of the scary videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In the dead of night, a doorbell reveals a haunted woman trying to unlock her door.
Open the door.
The camera sees her struggle, her scared whimper echoing through the darkness. As a car slowly turns, tensions build, and a mysterious honk breaks the silence. The doorbell turns a routine homecoming into a psychological thriller. This scary story is a spooky depiction of a silent, creepy chase, confronting us with the unsettling uncertainty of the woman's experience. Out of nowhere, a sudden explosion. A house crumbles. Now, the doorbell is there, seeing it all unfold. Debris flies and people panic, but the camera catches those lucky enough to escape. The doorbell tells a tale of safety hanging by a thread, reminding us of how life's certainties can vanish instantly. Even though it's scary, there's a small relief. Everyone survived. The watchful eye of a doorbell camera shows how life can twist within a matter of seconds, from calm to chaos. Imagine this. It's 3:30 a.m., dead silent, and a doorbell catches a kid banging on the door like there's no tomorrow. The girl, lit up by the doorbell glow, looks terrified, and her constant glances over her shoulder make things even more mysterious. Some say they spot shadowy figures in the darkness, cranking up the suspense.
Motion.
The doorbell turns into a storyteller, hinting at a possible break-in, keeping everyone on their toes. Even though things are a bit unclear, the girl's fear sends shivers down your spine. Sometimes, the night hides more than just shadows. Captured through the unsuspecting eye of a doorbell camera, this scary story has us all on edge. In the quiet routine of a suburban evening, a routine task becomes a heart-stopping confrontation. A doorbell records a father's worst nightmare. As he places his 10-month-old in the vehicle, an unseen threat looms, a sinister figure approaching in the shadows. The doorbell captures the 10 seconds, confrontation, escape, and the unsettling uncertainty of the intruder's motives. The incident, unfolding in Brampton, Canada, becomes a reminder of the world's unpredictability. It's unclear why the suspect ran away. Perhaps he realized a baby was in the car and didn't want to face those charges. In the dark hours of 2 a.m., a mysterious girl approaches a door, captured by a vigilant doorbell. Whispers of incomprehensible words and the request to open the door are scary.
Open the door. It's so cold. Open the door.
The girl's departure and an attempt to open the garage add an eerie touch to the story. The doorbell becomes a storyteller of a nocturnal experience, lingering with us through the dark. Fear takes on when a guy faces a bunch of aggressive dogs. The doorbell records him trying to scare them away with a stick, the dogs coming closer, and the police showing up out of nowhere. The dogs suddenly backing off without a clear reason is strange and creepy. The doorbell shows a scene where it's hard to tell who's in charge, the man or the dogs. The tension from the encounter hangs in the air, making you wonder about how safe things really are. The doorbell captures the wild moment between a guy and some fierce animals. Could the animals still be there? Imagine this, a creepy stalker with no face hanging around an apartment, all caught by a watchful doorbell. The weird words, the constant night watching, and the creepy closeness make every moment super scary. The doorbell grabs the fear, the slow moves of the faceless person, and how the scary stuff keeps getting worse. The person living there desperately tries to stay safe by strengthening security, adding a real-world horror twist. The doorbell silently screams about the terrifying experience, a reminder that sometimes the horror outside our homes doesn't even have a face. A spooky tale that makes you feel uneasy about what's lurking around. Picture this, it's 4 a.m., the spooky time when a ghostly visitor decides to ring a doorbell, leaving everyone puzzled. The frozen stranger, the weird bell ring, and the aimless stroll create a vibe like something supernatural is happening. The doorbell becomes a storyteller, sharing the details of a ghostly visit where real life mixes with the spooky unknown. The stranger disappearing into the night adds that extra touch of mystery, making everyone wonder about the haunting scene. It's a spooky story of a ghostly meeting, and the doorbell captures the quick appearance of a ghost lady hanging out in that mysterious space between what we know and what we don't, sending chills down our spines as we see the video. As the shadows of the unknown dance on the doorsteps and scary mysteries unfold, keep your senses sharp and your doors locked tight. Looking for more scary stories that'll ruin your night's sleep? Click right here to go further down in this rabbit hole.